Because as scientists, our
Mhm.
work is not a secret that we just cover within some lab buildings. We
Mhm.
owe everything that we do to the public,
Yep.
and they need to understand. They need to know, because also the funding, the money, this is
Mhm.
also coming from them. So we have to
Yeah.
benefit them. So that's the whole idea of why it is very important for science communication. Like, and also this platform is exactly like what you're doing right now. These platforms, science
Mhm.
communication, publications, and it's all part of dissemination, isn't it? And it's
Yeah.
really important. So I had an opportunity of doing something like that, and you can see how people are very interested in understanding science.
Yep.
So
And
yeah,
the mechanisms behind the science, right? Like
exactly.
there's the process and pathways that you're investigating, but how are you doing it? How are you doing the
Yeah,
investigation? People want to know about that. That is opening up a doorway for a whole bunch of things, right? Now, the fact that you've validated this model system in microfluidics as something that could be used in this specific way, other people are going to want to use that model system in a different way, right? Which creates more doors for different science opportunities. So the reason
yeah,
I was asking about the poster is that maybe you can repurpose the same poster to present at ABRACAMS. I think that would be a very unique opportunity. And so let me explain a little bit about ABACAMS. This is the annual biomedical research for minoritized students. In America, minoritized meaning basically Black, Latino, or in science, it's really also women in science. It's a big gap of how many women, Black or Latino folks are scientists. And so there are a lot of these organizations that have formed over the years to really try to encourage and give resources and guidance and mentorship to folks who are interested in sciences or already in science so that they stay in science, because retention is a really big problem in science. A lot of people end up dropping out. It's hard. The stuff we do is hard. They end up not crossing to the finish line. But it's also a good opportunity for networking, because
yeah,
basically every school in the country has a booth that comes there, and they know that this is where they can get top students who are presenting their research. And so they can get students to go into their grad school programs, they can get students to get into their internship programs, they can get students to get into their postdoctoral programs, as well as actual employment. Companies also go and recruit. I've gone as a recruiter during my time working for Novartis. I've gone to this conference as a recruiter looking for associates that we wanted to recruit, and so it is a great opportunity for networking. Even in previous companies and even current companies actually do go to this conference as well. It's the largest conference of its type, and usually it's like 5,000 students. That's not even counting the actual recruiters and faculty and folks who are there. So it's a great opportunity, even if it's virtually.